Welcome to HP Customs. Just want to do a quick product review on the ProComp dual shock mount for Squarebody Chevys. It is super easy to do. You get a bracket that uses your existing mount. One shock goes there. You will have to cut a little bushing to go there. It comes with all the shocks. You will have to cut another one for there. This is the spacer they send with the kit, but all of these you have to cut yourself. And then when it goes to the bottom, they come with a bolt with a spacer so that your shocks aren't touching, and that's it. It's approximately an $80 kit. I think it's probably $50 US, and it takes about a half hour to do both sides. On the passenger side, you are going to have to watch the fuel lines. I've been able to get away with just hitting them properly so that you don't have to remove any fuel lines because they are spaced a little bit, so you can get the drill bit through and clear the fuel lines. I've done it 3 times now and it's worked out good. But it's an easy way to get dual shocks on your square body Chevy. Even if you have 12 inches of lift and 45s, super cheap way to do it. I will be changing all of this over right now. I'm just having fun. But if you like what you're watching, please subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll keep bringing them to you. Thank you for watching.